Every day, millions of products are sold at Migros stores. Every product order has to be managed accurately from the supplier to ensure efficient delivery and a smooth operation. Products may be delivered directly to the store or via a central distribution centre and then validated and invoiced. Thanks to electronic data interchange, or EDI, the electronic exchange of data between trading partners, the buying process is dynamic and highly automated. This video will demonstrate how a single product is transported through the whole supply chain from the supplier to the retailer. The use of EDI and other GS1 standards helps guarantee efficient and smoothly running business processes. The electronic exchange of information is especially efficient when done between business partners without the need to transform the data. This is why standards are key to a successful implementation of EDI. The Swiss retail industry advocates the use of the GS1 system of standards throughout the whole retail supply chain. GS1 is a globally active, not-for-profit organisation which develops information standards in close cooperation with its members. These standards are implemented based on the business needs and technological readiness of each company. Within Migros, a product moves through the supply chain from ordering to delivery up to the point of sale. This process is repeated millions of times for every product and within every retail store throughout the retail industry in an almost constant cycle. The supply chain starts with the order for products from a supplier. At which point is the order initiated? Who does it? And how does it work? In this example, we see a customer buying a package of washing powder. When the product is scanned at checkout, not only is the price looked up, but also the sales information is sent to the central warehouse system. The barcode on the product is the best known of all the GS1 system standards. The barcode carries a GTIN, which stands for Global Trade Item Number. The GTIN is a globally unique number that identifies a product. This means only this total washing powder carries this identification number. GS1 defines the structure of the GTIN, and the brand owner allocates a different GTIN to each of their products according to the GS1 GTIN allocation rules. In the meantime, several boxes of the total washing powder have been sold. The stock in the store has fallen under the defined minimum level. The central warehouse system therefore automatically creates an order message. In our example, other stores have reached their minimum stock level too, so that a consolidated order is sent to the supplier. Ordering is done completely electronically via EDI. What are the preconditions for EDI? Migros offers two options for suppliers to connect electronically. Classic EDI, which means a direct interface between the enterprise resources systems or ERP systems of the business partners. Here, EDI messages are exchanged in standardized formats, such as ENCOM, which is based on UN EDIFACT or ANSI X12 or GS1 XML. The second option is Web EDI. In this case, no investment in the setup of an interface between systems is necessary. The retailer offers a web portal to the suppliers so they can then, for example, receive orders, send dispatch advices and invoices. The web EDI solution of Migros is called MLS Online. A very important precondition for EDI is that master data about the products are aligned between the business partners in advance. This alignment can also be done electronically. Once classic EDI or web EDI has been set up successfully, the ordering process can be done very efficiently. For postal address, such as delivery points or invoice addresses, another GS1 identification key, the global location number, is used. It's also known as the GLN. All partners in the supply chain, suppliers, retailer, individual stores and so on, are identified with this globally unique number. When the order arrives at the supplier, it's processed in the supplier's ERP system. The order contains the G-tin of the total washing powder. The required quantity can now be prepared for delivery. To prepare the boxes of washing powder for transport, they're consolidated into larger logistical units. The individual boxes offered for sale to the customer are called consumer units. The next higher packaging level is called trade or orderable unit. On every consumer box of washing powder, the G-tin is displayed in the form of an EAN UPC barcode symbol. Higher packaging levels can also be identified with the G-tin. In this example, a GS1128 barcode symbol is used to identify it as a transport unit. Trade units are consolidated onto pallets or other returnable transport items for transport. These units are called logistic units. Each logistic unit will receive a barcode label with a unique identifier, the Serial Shipping Container Code, or SSCC for short. The SSCC will be coded in a GS1128 barcode, which is used to track the product as it moves from the warehouse to the delivery location. The logistic unit will be accompanied with a bill of delivery, which contains all necessary information for the order, delivery, and the products contained. In our example, the products are delivered directly to the individual store. In other scenarios, they may be delivered via central and/or regional distribution centers. As soon as the products are on the way to the retailer, the supplier's system sends an electronic dispatch advice, also known as Advanced Shipment Notice or ASN. This EDI message contains all necessary information for the delivery. It's most important that the EDI message arrives on time, before the arrival of the products in the retailer's system. When the products arrive, the SSCC is scanned and, due to the EDI dispatch advice or ASN message, the received amount can be automatically added to the warehouse stock level. This transaction is the basis upon which the invoice for the delivered products can be generated. Now the products can be put on the shelf within the store, ready to be bought by a customer. At the end of the buying process, the invoice can be issued by the supplier. Even the invoice will be sent electronically for a fast, accurate, and reliable processing. The electronically sent invoice includes the G-tin of the delivered products, the corresponding prices, and other essential information. In this message, the sender and receiver are identified with a GLN in a similar way to the EDI orders and dispatch advice messages. All invoices from one supplier are consolidated and paid periodically. If the supplier wishes, he can receive an electronic remittance advice using EDI. The total washing powder example explains how EDI can support the efficient and accurate processing of data in a complex retail supply chain. Every year, Migros processes 7 million electronic messages with over 600 suppliers. This reduces costs as well as increases the accuracy and speed of the entire process. The GS1 system and the EDI standards enable the retail industry to benefit from improved efficiencies in various business processes.